Students of class 8 are welcome in science classes by KK Singh, Minerva Public School, Basampur. Today we will study plastics. Plastics are those materials that are made up of synthetic fiber which can be remelted and reshaped, recasted, thus they can be reused. There are mainly two type of plastic. One thermoplastic and other thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastics are those plastics that can be melted and reshaped, recasted repeatedly again and again. Once they are worn out and become old, we can sell them to Kawariwala. They will carry it to the factory where they are molten and recasted into another things. But example of thermoplastic: polythene, Teflon, polyvinyl chloride, polyestyrene. These are some example of thermoplastic. But thermosetting plastics are once molten and shaped. They can be never melted again and again, and thus they cause a lot of pollution to our environment. They can be made only one time, never melted and recasted to another things. The kabadiwala will not buy them. If you throw them anywhere in the soil, they cause soil pollution. If they fall in drain, they clog the water and causing water pollution, and also make the breeding place of flies that can cause epidemic like cholera, diarrhea, malaria, etc. The example of thermosetting plastics are melamine and bakelite. Bakelite you have already seen. The handle of pressure cooker are made of bakelite. Nowadays, switches and sockets for electricity or electric wiring are made of bakelite. Now we will study polythene. Next we will study polythene. Polythene, polyethylene, poly plus ethene, polythene. It is polymer of ethene. Polyethylene means polymer of ethene. Monomer, its monomer is ethene and polymer is polythene. Ethene formula, structural formula, and C2H4 molecular formula. Polymer CH2 single bond. Here when it is ethene, it is double bond, carbon carbon double bond. Here carbon carbon single bond. N ethene combined together chemically to form polyethylene. N means a large number of smaller molecule. Preparation: how polythene is prepared. For the preparation of polythene, ethene, that is C2H4, is heated up to a very high temperature under high pressure in presence of catalyst to produce polythene. Polythene is prepared by heating ethene under high temperature and pressure in presence of catalyst. That's all. Ethene, high temperature and pressure, catalyst presence, and then it form polythene. A catalyst, what is a catalyst? A catalyst is a chemical that cannot take parts in chemical reaction but facilitate chemical reaction, either slow down or speed it up. To make the to perform the experiment, to perform the reaction at suitable temperature and suitable pressure, catalysts are used. Now we will study polyvinyl chloride, but before it I will erase it. PVC or polyvinyl chloride. PVC or polyvinyl chloride formula is C2. Molecular formula is C2H3Cl, and this is a structural formula. It's a thermoplastic, means it can be recasted and remolded again and again. It is used in making a raincoat, shoe lace, electric pipe, compact disc, and insulator for electric wire. Next, polystyrene. Polystyrene is monomer is styrene. It is also a thermoplastic, means it can be melted and recasted, reshaped again and again. It is used in making packing material, to pack something, to keep something. It is used also used in making hand gloves, etc., insulator, etc. Next, acrylics. Acrylic is very important synthetic fiber. It is mostly used in making artificial wool. Due to its crimpy nature, it is used in making wool for making sweater, woolen cloth, blanket, etc. Acrylic is also used in making painting material. Now we will study one thing remaining, bakelite or something which are thermoplastic, thermosetting plastic. Next day we will study thermosetting plastic, but I ask you to like the video, subscribe the channel.